Osman here today. I've been called to a job where we did last week vinyl flooring. So as you know, some contractors, they come and just do the job, and then we as general contractors don't have the time to come and see how they do every little step. But I was called to see that there were some bubbles on the floor. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside and see how we can take care of this situation. This can be used by any homeowner who probably might have a linoleum installed in their kitchen or bathroom, and then all of a sudden you have a bubble and then you don't know how to fix it. So we're gonna show how to repair this bubble on the floor using my cooking utensils for grilling. Let's go inside. So this is the vinyl flooring that was installed last week, and it's a quite good piece. So apparently what we had in here is I'll try to see if we can see it. You see that hump over there? That is a bubble on the floor. So the first thing you're gonna do is just go to your either closer hardware store or Walmart or any store where you can get one of these injectors. This is for grilling, and what you see has a needle inside that we're going to use to inject the glue. As you can see, I'm gonna open the box. And we see we have this needle that you'll be able to install. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend it so I can have a little angle, you know, at the time of installing or applying the glue, so you have enough room. Okay, so this is the shape of the needle. I have bent it so it's kind of easy to apply. You see the hole where the glue is going to be coming out. It has two holes. So the way you do it is you find a spot, you know, find a hole on the floor, you know, a natural spec, like in this case I'm going to be using this one right here, and you're gonna try to do it in an angle. It will go like this, so when you it's gonna go like this. Now the injection is inside, and then I'm going to be able to shoot the glue in all that section that is bubble. This is where we have all our hump. So I'm going to go, this is going to get a bit messy. I'm going to go and get the glue in my injector. Already have the glue here, and as I mentioned to you, this is going to be a little bit messy, so if you don't like getting your hands dirty, but this is water based, so not a big deal. Alright, so you might have to get a roller in order to do this job. You know, it's not going to be an expensive roller. It's something that might cost you 20 bucks, 25 bucks, but it will get the job done the right way. So and now we have my injector already, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some glue inside. As I mentioned before, it's going to get a bit messy. see how the glue starts coming out of the needle. Clean up the needle. And now we're gonna go to our spot that we already did. Now you'll see that I made a little hole, teeny hole right here, when we were trying before. And now here's where we're gonna go get the glue inside. And I'm just gonna press so we can shoot the glue. And probably this amount of glue will be able to cover all this spot right here. So I'm gonna need probably to get 2 more shots, one for here, one for here, and one for here. So I'm gonna go and fill me another batch. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger to put this down and put it away. And I have a tool just to spread the glue a little bit. I'm going to clean up. Remember, all this you can clean it later with a moist rag. And I'm going to spread the glue. I'm going to get my roller. As I mentioned to you, well, as you remember, that's the spot where I used to put the glue. Somewhere over there is a little hole that was put to glue the floor, and now the whole hump is gone. So all I have to do is clean up the glue. As you can see, hump is not there anymore. We used to see it from this angle, and it's all flat. So what I'm going to do is just get a little rag, moist, to wipe. the glue, and